Once you have your documentation in place, you need to understand what might be the model for your team, right? So in a design system world, we usually define three types of models for the design system team. So those are solitary, centralized, and federated. So let's start from the solitary. So imagine that you have your product, you have different teams who are responsible for different parts of the product, but only one team is trying to build the design system. So usually they don't spend the whole time building the design system. Let's say they're spending only 20% of their time of building the design system. Other product teams might also use this design system, but usually they don't have a proper roadmap for that. They don't have a dedicated team. They might have a couple of the engineers assigned, maybe some designers as well. Second one is centralized. So that's basically the I would say more classic structure of the team is when your design system team is a product. So you have a dedicated team who is responsible for building a design system. So in this case, you might have a classic structure of this team, and all other product teams are using this design system, and you are basically responsible for having this design system up and running, and you have your own roadmap. And the last one is federated. So that's when you have multiple product teams who are contributing to a design system. So that's like a more advanced like version of the solitary, but in this case, not only one team is contributing, but many teams are contributing. But at the same time, those teams are not like the owners of the design system. So they're just contributing, and other teams also can use this design system. From our experience, we usually used to have the centralized. When you have a design system as a product, you have a dedicated team. But for your product, federated might work or solitary might work. So it depends on the the structure of your team, the needs of your team. So we cannot. You can basically start from, for example, from federated. But then if you see that we need to scale our design system, in this case, you can switch, for example, to centralized. So there is no right and wrong. So you can start from any of those models and then try to evolve and see which one works best for you.